All right, so here we are in section 212 of the lithosphere. Key question one, how do we know the structure of the Earth? So we looked at the structure of the Earth in the activity. We also looked at it in the last section. What we want to know now, though, is how do we know that the Earth is broken up into those layers? How do people discover this? And it's actually really, really cool how that happened and how we are able to detect this. And it has to do with sending waves through the Earth. So these are like little shock waves, nothing that's able to destroy anything. The same type of waves we're going to talk about when we talk about earthquakes and the waves that actually do cause the destruction. We send pulses of those through the Earth. And by how they interact as they go through the Earth, we're able to tell what the different layers are made of. Are they solid? Are they liquid? What's the density? We can back calculate those. Numbers and end up getting basically the density of the Earth, then determining what metals there are and what is inside those layers. So we've never made a 6,400 kilometer hole into the Earth, which would go down to the core. So no, we've never actually seen the core of the Earth. That would be fairly impossible to get there. Plus, any equipment we would use that we have on Earth would end up melting as soon as we got actually very far at all on the Earth. So this video right here that you see is on the blog. I'm not going to play it in this video, but make sure that you go into the blog and you watch this. You may need to watch it again. It explains how we put. It's a good professor, and he explains those two waves that we put in. Just remember, it's the P wave and the S wave. Okay. So you will go and look at those in that video and see how they determine the structure of the Earth. But one thing I do want to go over real quick is this link right here about what P and S waves are. And you can see right here, this is a cool animation that you can play around with. You can see a P wave. All right, it's what we call a compression wave. It's going to basically just go through the surface. If you felt a P wave, it would kind of just like flow through you. You might not even feel it at all as it goes underneath your feet. All right, so P waves are compression waves, and they move very fast. Now, moves slower are called S waves, and so the P wave is a pulsating wave, and the S wave is going to move in kind of an S shape. So you kind of look at this here. And that's what causes destruction during earthquakes. And these types of waves are also used, but small ones are used to detect the structure of the Earth. So again, make sure you go back, make sure you watch this video, and that will be it.